Welcome to the San Diego Botanic Garden, located in Encinitas, California. A 37-acre urban oasis, with 4 miles of trails winding through 29 themed gardens. The garden officially opened its gates to the public in 1970. Today, the San Diego Botanic Garden is designated one of the top 10 North American gardens worth traveling for by the American Gardens Association. Let's see some of what the beautiful garden has to offer. Get in touch with nature. Explore the unknown. Visit the native fauna. Take a moment to just be.